Good evening, or good night. It's around 10 o'clock at night here, Canada, Toronto, surrounding area. What I got here is the farm truck. And smashed the light off there when I was at the TTC. Still funny because it was never entered. Twisted off the drive shaft, just rebuilt it. And then actually took out the tooth there on the pinion ring. But I got it all together, put the lights on it. So I figured I was just gonna come out and take it for a quick little run because I was just finished tinkering. And my turn signals aren't working, but figured that out. I think it's because I got it at full to one side. I gotta readjust my horn. But set up the lights here, so let there be light. That's all I'm saying. Don't need a camera light anymore. It's all good. I'm loving these GT powered, high powered headlamps. Well, this is my second set. I toasted one set. That's my second set here. Oh, I love them though. They're so bright. Okay, better pick a new route. Digging a hole in that one. Nice and soft. Oh, running over the stove, just gonna center myself right out there. I love these headlights, that's all I can say. It's just so hanging up everywhere. What happens when you got a 15-inch wheelbase and you've slammed it. It's one of my funnest trucks to drive so far. Oh, we seem to be okay. So, I broke that first one there. You can see where the two pieces used to bolt down the side. I just took a SCX10 back battery frame on the tray, folded it in half, screwed it back in, and that'll do till I come up with something better. A little catwalk get me up there. Oh. Ta-da! Well, I hope you like this, and thanks for watching. I do love the farm truck. Oh, we roll it, low gas.